You are currently paying 15 to 20% interest on a timeshare loan and escalating maintenance fees for a vacation you probably do not even use anymore. Most timeshare companies will not let you deed back the property or cancel your contract until the underlying loan is paid off in full. The most effective way to escape this trap is to use a cash-out refinance to pay off that high-interest timeshare debt using your home's equity instead. By moving that debt into your mortgage, you slash your interest rate from 20% down to a much lower housing rate and make the interest potentially tax-deductible. Once that timeshare loan is officially zeroed out, you finally have the clean title required to legally surrender the property back to the developer and stop the maintenance fees forever. This one move can save you thousands of dollars a year in fees and tens of thousands of dollars in interest over the life of the loan. Stop letting a bad vacation decision from 10 years ago ruin your financial future and start using your home to buy back your freedom. Visit https://www.google.com. Search Q=changemyrates.com. Today so we can look at your equity and build a custom plan to help you exit your timeshare once and for all.